Hello everyone, my name is Oren. I am LTV Educator. I'm the founder and creator of the Level Up app. That's right guys, the IML Levels app just released March 15th. And since then, we've already profited over 1,000 pips. That's right. Now, although past performances won't guarantee future results, but trust me, with this app right here, guys, it is super simple. You just have literally just copy and paste. That's it. So let's go ahead and go over to the next part, and I'm going to show you how to use this super simple system. Now, I'm going to teach you how to use this on your computer and on your iPhone. So, hey, if you ever have to step away from the computer, as long as you have your smartphone, you can still level up. Let's go, guys. Step over to the other side. So all you have to do next is just go ahead and put in your credentials, your login. Now, this app is going to be free until April 1st. So as you can see here, it's free until April 1st for all active members. Now, what you're going to do is just put in your login information right here. Okay, just type that information there. Now, we're going to take you over to the dashboard. You see how clean and super simple this dashboard is? Now, instead of having all the pairs just jumbled up, on one dashboard, we decided to separate it. So you have the Forex pairs here, the crypto, the metals, US 30, and also Levels TV. So let's go ahead and get started. Now you want to just go ahead and click on the Forex pairs right here. Right over here, what you're going to see is the currency pairs that we have. Now, don't panic. We're going to add more pairs to the chart. Sometime this week, we're going to add more pairs to the chart. Right now, we were doing the beta testing, and we want to see which were the most active pairs that we're going to get you into the trade. So right here, you can see the currency pairs that we have right on this side. Now, guys, I'm going to tell you, it's super simple. Now, you see this black vertical line that we have in the middle right there, that black vertical line. The moment that vertical line appears, that's going to be your signal line, okay? The moment this vertical line appears, that's going to be your signal line. The next thing that's going to appear is your entry line. So you're going to see your entry line right across. So you're only going to see two lines on your chart. You're going to see this vertical line that goes straight up and down. That's actually your breakout candle. So your breakout candle. So all you're focusing on is this vertical line here. And then the second line, which is the horizontal line, is going to tell you your entry, whether this is an entry to buy or sell. Now, what we do is we do limit orders here because I want you to be able to have a chance to enter the trade. I don't want to do a market execution because let's say if you're out on the road and you're not getting the signal, I want to send out a limit which will actually give you time to enter the trade. And also with this, we have a timestamp that's going to tell you when the signal was sent out. So this way, for the traders who just woke up, who are on their job, now you have a chance to say, well, this trade is still valid or it's not valid. Now, with this signal here, we're looking for a buy limit. So we want to see this market go up, come back down, enter this trade right here for a buy limit, and then we're going to show you where your take profit and your stop loss is. Okay? So as you see here, the system is going to generate your stop loss, which is down here, and your take profit, which is up here. That's all you have to do, team. Wait for the signal, which is going to give you this black line and this horizontal line here, and then you're just going to input the numbers on your chart. Okay? So on your MT4 platform, whether you're doing it on your phone or on your computer, all you're going to do is input these numbers. Your entry, whether it's a buy limit, your stop loss, and your take profit. You're just going to do those three things. Signal, entry and exit, take profit. Well, maybe four things. Okay? So with the next trade, I can just click on USDJPY, and you see right here, you see there's going to be a little asterisk next to it. So that's the one that tells you, hey, listen, that's a live trade. Okay? So I click on USDJPY, it takes me over to the chart. And what am I looking for? I'm looking for that horizontal line, that vertical line, and that horizontal line right across. Now, this vertical line is giving me my breakout. So team, what I'm looking for, we have my breakout of my vertical line, the horizontal line. Now, I want you to see this trade. This was a perfect entry. So as we have this large bearish candle, then we have the retest right there, okay? And then the market dropped down. So this market literally dropped down for about 20 pips. Now, the beauty about this is we have our take profit. The take profit is a little larger than most because we have two types of traders. We have the conservative traders, and then we have the risk takers. Okay, not everyone is going to be a risk taker. So what I want to do is put a larger take profit for those who want to extend their risk. Now, you don't have to do that. And what the system is also going to do is going to send you out an alert. It's going to send you an alert to tell you where to move your stop loss. So if you're in profit 10 pips, the system is going to send you an alert and tell you move your stop loss 10 pips in profit. And we're going to actually give you the numbers telling you exactly where to move your profit. So that's a pretty cool feature for someone who just want to let the trade ride out. Now, your stop loss. Stop loss. You may not use this type of stop loss. You may want to risk less. Okay? So this stop loss is definitely for higher risk traders, but you can put your stop loss maybe 30 pips. Okay? Someone else may want to put their stop loss 50 pips. Okay? I put these two different types of stop loss for two different types of traders. Okay? Because sometimes the market will push closer to your stop loss, kick you out the trade, and then shift in the direction that it was already intended to go in. So I want to give that trader an opportunity to risk a little bit more. And the one thing I always stress, if the stop loss is too big, lower your lot size. Okay? That's the number one rule. If the stop loss is too big, lower your lot size. Okay? Now, let me show you a scenario where the market is going to give you that black vertical line, but it may not give you the setup due to a volatile market. Okay? I'll repeat that. Here's a scenario where the market gave us the black vertical line, but it did not give us the sell limit or the buy limit. Okay? So this is NZD USD. We got the vertical line, but we did not get the buy limit to push the market up. Now, again, if it's a volatile market, you may not get that trade. Sometimes you got to let it go. That trade was not for you. All right, guys. So here's the actual setup that we called on this trade, NZD USD. Now, as you can see from our wrinkle chart above, because we use the wrinkle charts to determine our buys and our sells. So on a wrinkle chart, this was a very volatile market. Now, looking at the bottom chart, this is the candle chart. The white line came up, but we did not get our retest. The market did not come back down to the retest. So what happens? We don't chase a trade. You got to let it go. So as this market shot up all the way up to the high, what we're waiting for next is we're waiting for that market to come back down and give us the next setup. Okay? So on the wrinkle chart, that's where it's giving us the buy limit after it gave us the next setup. So as you can see, this market pulled back a 50% retracement right around the zone, and here's your buy limit right there. Beautiful. There's the vertical line that we're looking for. Vertical line and then the horizontal line. Beautiful retest, and the market shift up. Okay, so this market went up for about 10 to 15 pips on NZD USD. That's what we're looking for, team. We're not chasing the market. The system is super simple. All you have to do is copy and paste the number. We're going to give you an opportunity to see the main chart, and then there's going to be a button. All right, we're going to have a screenshot button. Once you click that screenshot button, it's going to give you a screenshot of the wrinkle setup. So it might be a setup just like this, because we want to try to keep the chart as clean as possible. All right, we don't want to have a whole bunch of clutter all over the chart, because remember, this is a super simple app. Remove all the clutter from the chart. So once you click that screenshot, it's going to be a full-size screenshot on the screen, and it's going to give you the setup of wrinkle. All right, now that you're back on the dashboard, now you can choose whether you want to trade Forex, crypto, US 30, whatever it might be. So now just click on the currency pair or the metals that you want to choose and go on to the next one. Okay, perfect. Now that we clicked on crypto, guys, right over here, we have an active trade on Ethereum. So what we're waiting for now, as you can see here, we got the black line here. The black line showed up, and right after the black line, then what do you see? That horizontal line. So now all you're going to do is you're going to go to your platform, and you're going to type in those numbers there. You type in this is a sell opportunity. You see the black line that goes in, that's your breakout line, and then you're going to put in your sell limit, your take profit, and your stop loss. Okay, so as we click on the next cryptocurrency pair, which is NEO, now I want to show you something that happened earlier today. The system at 4 o'clock this morning, it sent out a signal on this trade right here. It gave us the black line. Now also, if you look at this pair right here, it gave us the black line, but because the market was closed, the app did not give us it gave us the black line and the entry to buy and sell. But on the app, the candles did not develop. So this trade actually entered the trade and hit take profit for 300 pips this morning. Now, let me show you, once you click on the screenshot, I'm going to show you what it looks like. Okay, guys, now take a look at this. Here's the wrinkle chart above. Okay, with this wrinkle chart above, as you can see, the market came up to the sell limit was at 96, 9,700. That was our sell limit. And our take profit was around 93. Now, take a look at this right here on the bottom. This is the candle chart. You can see this is our signal line. And right here, this is our entry to sell. We got the break, retest, and this market dropped all the way down to our take profit. But unfortunately, the app did not update the candles. But remember, all you have to do is enter the trade based on the numbers that we provide. Enter the trade based on the numbers that we provide. Now, this would have been a beautiful trade that you would have taken. All right, the system is going to send you the notification. Okay, here's your signal line, your entry line, take profit. Signal line, which is the vertical, entry is the horizontal, take profit is here. Guys, so now, as you can see, we have this system directly on our smartphone. Doesn't matter if it's Android or iPhone. So just go ahead and log in, put in your credentials. Okay, look how simple this app is on your smartphone. Doesn't matter if you have an Android or iPhone, the system is just clean. So what you want to do now is just click on Forex. Okay, so the moment you click on Forex, you can see the same thing that's on your smartphone right there. So it's going to tell you, all you're waiting for is that black vertical line that's right there. You see that? You're just waiting for that black vertical line and then that horizontal line that tells you this is going to be your buy limit. Okay, so let's go ahead and navigate. All you're going to do now is, if you want to go to the next pair, all right, so you have USD JPY. Okay, let's go ahead and navigate over here. Perfect. USD JPY, as you can see, we have the same thing. All right, play around with it a little bit. Just all right, there we go. That strong vertical line right there tells me my breakout. All right, here's my my entry. Notice how the market dropped down, gave me a retest, perfect entry, dropped down again. Now, again, traders, have a pip goal. Most important, if you have a pip goal, again, doesn't matter if the take profit is 100 pips. Whatever your pip goal is, maybe your pip goal is 25 or 30 pips. You do not have to go the whole distance of that take profit right there. Your stop loss doesn't have to be right there. This is just a generic. I want you to have a pip goal, okay? If the stop loss is too high, lower your lot size. Again, we're going to send you notifications telling you when to adjust your stop loss, okay? So now what I want you guys to see, you see where it says choose right here? That's going to take you right back to the dashboard. Then you can choose whether you want crypto. Let's go over to the crypto side real quick. Again, the same setup. All right, we're just waiting for it to, see now we have this black line here. See the black line, but the system did not give us a trade alert. Okay, we have this black line, but the system did not give us a trade alert. If you're just using the system as copy and paste, if we did not give you a trade alert, do not enter the trade. All right, go back over. Okay, so here we have a trade alert. Now, guys, I want you to see this. Look at that beautiful entry that we have right there on that sell limit right there. Beautiful entry as the market is coming down. You don't have to take the whole entire take profit or stop loss, whatever you're comfortable with. Okay. Now, once again, click here, click on choose, take you right back to the dashboard. So you have metals, US 30, and also IML TV. Okay. Once again, this app is super simple. So guys, with this app here, it's so simple. All you have to do is follow the rules, copy and paste. We're going to be telling you when to buy and when to sell. It's that easy. You're just waiting for a long vertical line with a horizontal line, which is going to tell you when to buy or to sell. That's it. Now, look forward to the updates that's going to be coming. The updates is going to basically tell you when to adjust your stop loss or your take profit. We're also going to send out alerts telling you when a new signal has just came out. Okay, so stay tuned for the mini updates that's going to be coming, and also my own personal academy. That's correct, guys. With this app here, we're going to have a built-in academy. Okay, with this academy, it's just not just going to be signals, but we're going to teach you everything from Elliott's wave, harmonic patterns, engulfing candles. Everything's going to be built right inside of this app. It's going to be like a one-stop shop. So it's mandatory that you stay active. Okay, mandatory that you stay active because this app It's definitely going to help you reach the next level. That's what it's about, reaching new levels. All right, guys. So thank you, thank you, thank you. I hope you enjoy the app, and I look forward to seeing you reaching the